In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge Dismantle in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Dismantle ability that you can use as the King of Curses in your Awakened form, and also how to do variations of the ability. So, as you might be aware, by pressing 1 if you are playing on PC, or other buttons if you are on mobile or consoles, you will be able to do this attack called Dismantle. Now, this attack can chain into other actions. First, I want to highlight something. If you do this attack while you are in the air, you will be able to perform this aerial attack instead. So this is a nice flashy combo that you can do that was recently added, and as you saw, all that you have to do is jump and press Dismantle, nothing special. So with this out of the way, the thing that most people use Dismantle for is the World Cutting Slash. So to do it, you have to press 1, 3, 2, and R in quick succession. So it should look something like this: 1, 3, 2, and then you spam your special, which is R. And you should see Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors, and then this attack goes off. The more people this attack hits, the more damage it's going to do. Now, another thing that I want to highlight is that if you are playing on console, of course the buttons are going to be different. So on console, it is going to be L1 into R2 into L2 into left on the D-pad. So with this out of the way, you will be able to do this attack by pressing 1, 3, 2, and then spamming R. If you are playing on a mobile device, you will have to press the star icon instead. So use Dismantle Rush open and then tap on the star icon. I'm gonna show you how it looks like with an actual controller. Left bumper into right trigger, into left trigger, into left on the D-pad, also known as L1 into R2 into L2 into left on the D-pad, and you will be able to perform the Dismantle variant or charged move instead. You can also do this in the air, so if you get comfortable with this move, you can do it like this, and you should still be able to do the Twin Meteors attack while in the air. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge Dismantle in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.